All right, so let's get started. A short trade in RTY today is June 21st, 2024, and it's actually a Friday. So happy weekend to everyone. I hope you have a great, wonderful trading week. And I'm going to share with you a trade I made in RTY. Actually, it was early in the morning when I did it. So let's review it. So basically, what I'm looking at here is the 30 minutes anchor chart. You see that there is a, let's see here, we do have here a support level. Powered by this area here. So you can tell that from this area all the way here, there is a support. We are above that area. In the overnight, we can identify it here. Let's see what the overnight is. Right there, that's around 9:30. Yes, that's around 9:30. So you see that we have a kind of a channel coming back down, up, and back down to that area that right there. So in the morning, I have this one marked, and I created this Fibonacci retracement tool that I have to replace, the hassle to do the boxes here. So basically what you could do is to do this and then copy and paste, Control C, Control V, then you put the green area right there, and then you can put another one up here. So the secret is that the distance in between these boxes, which are equidistant as well in height, they are kind of a fib or how do you call it? A measure moved from this magnet area right there, right? So instead of doing that and replicate the boxes, I'm gonna delete this. I go to the fib tool and I replace it by this one here. So you have a Fibonacci retracement, and here you have the settings. I define 6 level prices. And then from there, you see that I put the 100, the 200, the 300, the 0, minus 100, and minus 200. And then basically what I do is to color them. So you see here with the first line is translucent or transparent. Then you have the red. Then you have another red. Then you have gray, which determines that area there. And then here you do have the transparent as well for minus 200 and 200 in green. And with that, you actually be able to do this drawing that I have as a tool to identify levels, basically. So here we are. Before the market open, I identified this. Coming back down would be a break, and then in this point, I'm not interested in taking any longs to move to the upside, because that would be a counter trend. If you see, all the moving averages are pointing down to the downside at this point when we open. Some advertising coming in to me, so. All right. Basically, that is what I'm looking in the anchor chart. So I'm short in this moment. I'm short because of the moving averages coming back down. All of them are lining to the downside, right? So I'm not interested in a long trade at this point. Now let's go back and come to the trade. So here, market open at 9:30. You make it a little bit of weak. We are still in the area. If you see here, I kind of like took this. There are several points of interest here where you can identify a trading range with a little bit of an overshoot up here and another overshoot right there. But overall, we are short, and we are short basically because of this anchor chart, right? So if you look at this, then you see that the momentum right here. Why did I take this one? Well, first of all, it's wicking out of nothing. So the bounce is not happening at a EMA. It's happening kind of at an EMA, but it's a little bit above it. So and also I'm in the range still. So anything could happen. You see in this area here, anything could happen. And now finally break it there. Valid trade though. You are, if you look at this momentum indicator here, which can be the MACD. I'm using a different one, the MQ momentum. You can find the MQ momentum for a price. I don't recall the name for the site that sells it, but if you shoot me an email, it's Mr. Renko at mrrenkotrader@gmail.com, then I can respond. Or you can go to the Discord channel and get that. See here, post the question there, and I can provide the, if you are interested, I can provide the site where they sell it. Anyways, came back down here and make a little bit of retracement. Now we have a bounce off of the moving average, the 34 EMA, which is that yellow line there. But also, if you notice here, there's a bounce off of the previous support right here, which is now resistance. So it came back, break, and then came back out, and then moved down with somewhat a little bit of good energy, I could say. But basically, I took the trade right here at 20. What was that? 2034.6. And then I took the trade in this candle right here. Just moved nicely all the way down, and it started to move down there. At this point in this candle here, took my target $240 per contract right there. So that one, it was a nice trade. Came back down, oversold, and then started to retrace, and then started to bounce around this zero line right there, right? In here, it started to move to the upside, but you know what? If you look at this and the anchor chart again, that is a really good reference. You have resistance up here. You are in a counter trend going that direction right there, but you're in a counter trend, meaning the anchor chart is not any longer aligned and in synchrony with the entry chart. And this is the entry chart right here. For RTY, I'm using, let me show you this. I'm using right here 614.28. So a tick trend of 6, an open offset of 14, and a tick reversal of 28. So that was the trade. So Trader Copier in Apex gave me some multiplication of this, but basically the trading is in the setup is this one right there. So good entry in a kind of a perfect spot. Momentum still in the limits where you take it, and there is some acceleration of the sell right there. So and then I played safe. Now, why did I take this one? Well, there are two reasons. Why did I take profits here? Two reasons. First, it was first target, so 2-to-1 is what I'm risking in here, 2-to-1, and then The other reason is that we were in a green area. You see that came all the way to the other side of the green area, but normally that doesn't happen. It comes here and bounces somewhere around here and moves up and goes and visit this area once again. So I'm not counter trending this. I could probably look at some entry right there, but this is the overnight opening for RTY. So no, I didn't feel like it. And you see that in this magnet area, it started to bounce up and down, up and down in a very rangy mode, and then it started to move up again and cross that there. But still, even in this area here, is still a counter trend for the higher time frame or for the 30 minutes. All right. So yeah, if you like the video, just click on the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week. Have a great, wonderful weekend.